In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add details inside the check register in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through how to add or refine information directly in your check register so your books stay clear, searchable, and ready for reporting. This is especially useful when a transaction needs a clearer memo, or you want to clean up details without opening a full expense or check form. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign into your company. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu. Hover your mouse over the accounting section. This reveals options related to your chart of accounts and reconciliation. From there, click Chart of Accounts. This is your list of all the accounts in your company file, like bank accounts, credit cards, cash, and expense categories. Locate the account whose transactions you want to edit, most commonly a bank or credit card account, and select View Register. The register shows your transactions in a running list, including dates, payees, categories, amounts, and balances. If you don't see what you need right away, you can sort by date or use the search and filter tools at the top to narrow down the list. Find the specific transaction you want to update, then double-click it in the register. This opens the inline editor so you can make quick changes without leaving the page. Here, focus on the memo and any other details that improve clarity. The memo field is perfect for adding context like what the purchase was for, a job reference, or internal notes. You can also confirm or adjust the payee and the category if the original coding needs to be corrected. If your company uses classes or locations, make sure those are accurate as well. Clear, consistent details help with reporting, budgeting, and audits later. Before saving, take a moment to review the date, amount, and reconciliation status. If a transaction has already been reconciled, avoid changing amounts or dates unless you understand the impact, as this can throw off your bank reconciliation. Small descriptive updates, like a better memo, are usually safe and recommended. Once your edits look right, click Save. QuickBooks will update the register and display the new details immediately. Give the line a quick scan to confirm everything appears as expected. If you're cleaning up multiple entries, repeat the same process. Double-click, refine the information, and save. That's it. By making thoughtful updates directly in the register, you keep your books accurate and your reports more meaningful, all without extra steps. Thanks for watching. And if this helped, feel free to continue organizing your register so your future reporting is a breeze.